Want a powerful OBD2 scanner that can do ECU coding, full system diagnostics, and support bidirectional control all without breaking the bank? The LAUNCH X431 CRP919X might just be your new garage hero. But is it worth your money? Let's find out! Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're diving into the LAUNCH X431 CRP919X, a professional-grade scanner packed with features normally reserved for $1,000 plus tools. So grab a coffee, hit that like button, and let's get into it. The CRP919X is one of LAUNCH's flagship diagnostic tools designed for mechanics, shop owners, and serious dyers. It supports full system diagnostics, advanced ECU coding, over 35 service functions, and bidirectional control. In other words, this isn't your average pocket scanner. The 8 inches touchscreen tablet, Android-based, OBD2 connector and cable, charger, carrying case, quick start guide, full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, ECU coding and customization, 35 plus maintenance functions, Wi-Fi updates, and Android OS. Pros: powerful diagnostic depth, ECU coding at this price, big responsive screen, fast updates via Wi-Fi, great for professional use or advanced dyers. Cons: no key programming, some coding functions vary by vehicle, slight learning curve for beginners. If you're looking for a professional-grade OBD2 scanner without spending a fortune, the LAUNCH X431 CRP919X is one of the best in its class. Perfect for mechanics, shop owners, and even serious home users who want dealership-level diagnostics in their garage. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.